Well, hey there guys, what's going on? So I've had a few of you ask me about an update on the Dodge Charger and the JB Weld repair. And I gotta be honest with you, so far I put 750 miles on this car and not one problem with it whatsoever. Not a drop of oil, nothing from that area. And I've been very lucky with this car. This car has actually turned out to be pretty damn good if you ask me. So right now I would say I have probably about $3,100 in this car, but I think for a Dodge Charger RT with this kind of mileage and this kind of condition, I think overall we did pretty good on this car. As long as that repair holds up, I don't think we'll have any issues with this car going forward here. So let's take a look underneath the hood here. So I had another comment on this car in regards to the engine. I mean, if you listen to that engine, it is dead quiet. You can hear the AC compressor kicking on and off. But other than that, there is no noise, no nothing in this engine whatsoever. If there was a major issue with that cylinder, it would have popped a rod through the side a long time ago. So I think overall, we did pretty good. And the question you have to ask yourself, does JB Weld actually work, and is it actually feasible for you to repair a crack like I had on an engine block? And I would say yeah. So 750 miles later, I would say this repair was successful. I think overall, I think this will keep this car in service for, you know, another few years. I don't know if the repair will last another few years. I don't know. That's one thing that we don't know when you do stuff like this. But all I can say is, you know, if you were in a position like this where you had nothing to lose and you obviously knew the engine was otherwise in good mechanical condition and something like that popped up, and obviously we know that was from the rod hitting the side when the water was ingested in this motor and it locked it up in a matter of a second. But overall, I think this car has been very good. I think we're just going to go ahead and keep it for now. Done a little paint work on it. Put a spoiler on it too, and I think the spoiler looks really, really good. Oh, somebody asked me about the Honda Accord. That Honda just sits here, guys. But yeah, that's where we're going to leave the video. We'll do a video on the Honda Accord here in another few days. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and leave the video here. But hey, I really appreciate everybody stopping by and subscribing. I appreciate all the new subscribers here. We're almost at 5,000 subscribers, and it's great. So we'll catch you guys later. Have a great one. See ya.